Hi, I'm Marcia, University of Missouri Extension Master Gardener. While the warm temperatures have lulled us into thinking it's time for that warm spring planting, Mother Nature's here today to say, not so fast. I think it's the perfect day to share with you my favorite springtime or early spring Tuesday tip YouTube videos from our channel, MU Extension Bug and Garden. So let's get started.
A top pick for early spring is keeping track of your garden with a garden journal. In this video, Sherry shares great ideas and inspiration from her own journaling, plus tips on how to start your own. If you're anything like me, you think you'll remember your garden plans for the next season, but also like me, you never actually do. This year, I'm changing that. I've got my new journal, MU Extension, From Seed to Harvest and Beyond, and I'm recording my garden plans. The next video I want to share is how to build a raised bed garden. If you are thinking about starting a DIY garden bed from scratch, this is a great place to begin. We cover the basics from building the structure to filling with soil, adding mulch, and even a little about planting. Third on my list is why every gardener needs to know their USDA plant hardiness zone. Knowing your zone is key to picking the right plants for your garden if you're new to gardening, or if you didn't realize the USDA updated the zones in 2024, this video is a must-see. Untangle a garden mystery. Ever wonder about the difference between cool season and warm season crops? Early spring is the time for cool season plants, ones that can handle the frost and light freezes and finish growing before summer heat kicks in. But what about warm season crops? This video helps you figure out how to choose the right ones for your garden. Speaking of picking seeds and plants, what about those leftover seeds from last season or that random pack you found from who knows when? In just a few days, you can find out if they're still good. Watch, are these seeds any good? And learn a simple germination test, plus a few tips to help you decide, should they stay or should they go? It's not all about new plantings. Leaving last year's perennials in place can be a big help to overwintering insects. And even when the weather warms up early, timing your garden cleanup just right is key. When should you start? How should you do it? Find out in Waking Up Your Perennials. Don't forget to explore the playlist for Tuesday Tip videos, packed with research-based garden tips. And while you're at it, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with a topic you'd like to see on an upcoming Tuesday Tip video. If you didn't catch those video titles as they appeared during the video, they are all linked in the Show More section below. And until next time, and real soon, we'll see you in the garden.